21 years old. And this is it? No job, no money, no future. Just a head full of regrets and a heart too tired to hope. At 18, he thought by now, he'd be successful, rich, happy, but instead, he's stuck. And the worst part? He wasted his time, and he knows it. This is the moment most people break. They drown in regret. They let the past define them. They convince themselves it's too late. But listen to me. It is not over. You wasted time. Fine. But time isn't the problem. The problem is what you do next. You have two choices. Keep crying over the past or fight for your future. Skills over distractions. Action over excuses. Discipline over comfort. This is how you escape. The past is a lesson. The future? That's yours to build. Rock bottom wasn't your end. It was your beginning. Now get up and make them remember your name. Your future is watching. What will you do?